Now before I do this other side, I'm going to I haven't chalked out my upstairs walls yet and squared the house up again, so I'm going to make sure the foundation's sitting square so I can pull this first layout and know that everything's going to square up just perfect. That corner. I got to just see how we're looking for square. We got to knock those down when we go. Kind of need it on the outside corner. Right there. I'm basically 52, 11, and 13. Right there. 32.8. 32.8. That other one was 52, 11, and 13/16. So we got to find the square root of both of those. We got to square both of those and then add them together and then find the square root, and that'll give us our hypotenuse. So I have to convert 13 into inches because that's part of it. So your 13 divided by 16 equals, so that's 0.812. And then I've got to find, so it's 13 point, so we're 11.812, 11.812, and now I got to convert that into feet because I'm going to add it with this. So I take that and I divide that by 12 equals, so we're 52.984. 0.984. So I take that 52.984 times 52.984 equals, that's the number I'm going to add with that one, 28707. So I'll just write that down over here.
Do you do the points or
2807 point, yeah, you got to have it, 304, at least 3 digits, 304. Now I'm going to take 0.8, which is 0.666.
Well, 8 inches.
8 inches of a foot is 0.666. I'll show you how you get that. So 8 divided by 12 equals 0.666. So I'm 32.666 times 32.666 equals. So that number plus this number is your next thing you have to add. So I'm taking that plus 2807.304 equals. Now that I have to find the square root of that, and that gives me my hypotenuse. So I'm going to square that, or get the square root of that. It's 62. So I'm 62 feet, 0.244. So now I got to get that 244, right, 0.244 times 12 equals So I'm 2 inches, 0.928. So I got to see what that 0.928 is in fractions, and it's probably 15/16. So 0.928, 0.928 times 16 equals, so it's 14/16, almost 15, so we're going to call it 15/16 light. 15/16 light. So I'm 62.2 and 15/16 light.
Okay, so
A square plus B square equals C square.
all right here. That's what we're measuring. Here's the first one we got. It's 52 and 11 inches and 13/16. And then the next one we measured was, what was that second one?
32.8.
32.8. And then we did the A squared plus B squared equals C squared, which gave us this, which is,
And that will tell us if we're square.
62 and
2 and 15/16. 62, 2 and
2
15.
inches and then 15/16.
So if we're burning a foot, we're looking for 63, 2, and 15. With Hayden burning a foot. See how we did on this foundation. This tells the truth. You there?
Right there.
You do not get any more perfect than that.
Perfect.
It's right on the money.
Thanks for checking this video out. Now your house is ready for you to finish laying it out. I'll leave that link right here because I sent a lot of people to this video for that specific part of the project that we were doing. Or if you're ready to start doing your I-joists, you can check out this video here as well. Either way, I've really enjoyed doing this no-step house building series, and I'm really grateful that my dad would allow me to video him to get this.